Welcome to SKM Sudoku. I am going to solve the New Indian Express newspaper Sudoku Basel on September 10, 2022. Evil Sudoku. Second row on third row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column G, third row we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining. 7. 7 is confirmed here. 8th grade. We have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column E, only one number is remaining. 4. 4 is confirmed here. 8th row and 10th row we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Column D also we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column B, column D we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 7th row we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 6th row, 7th row we have pair numbers 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 6. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column C, and 4th row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Second row and 4th row we have 2. Column J also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column H, column J we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 6th row and 7th row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second row and 4th row we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column H, column I, second row, third row we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column J we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 7th row we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 7th row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th row, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 6th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column H, column I, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Second row we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column G we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 9, 8. ninth row we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then only two numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column J, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. 8th row we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column H, column B, column C we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Third row, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column C, second row, we have 7 and 8. That 7 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then first grade, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Fourth row, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Column H, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Second row, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Eighth row, three numbers are remaining, 7, 9, 4. Column C, we have 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column C, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column I, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 7, 9. 9th grade and 8th grade, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column D, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 7th grade, two numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column D, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 5th grade, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 8th row, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column F, two numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column H, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column H, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.